The era of recombination is the period of time until a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, where the universe was a very dark place. There was no stars and there were no galaxies. After the Big Bang, the universe was like a hot soup of particles: protons, neutrons, electrons. When the universe started cooling, the protons and neutrons began combining into ionized atoms of hydrogen and deuterium. Deuterium further fused into helium 4. These ionized atoms of hydrogen and helium attracted electrons, turning them into neutral atoms. Ultimately, the composition of the universe at this point was 3 times more hydrogen than helium, with just trace amount of other light elements. This process of particles pairing up is called recombination, and it occurred approximately 240,000 to 300,000 years after the Big Bang. The universe went from being opaque to transparent at this point. Light had formerly been stopped from traveling freely because it would frequently scatter off the free electrons. Now, the free electrons were bound to protons. Light was no longer being impeded. The era of recombination is the earliest point in our cosmic history to which we can look back with any form of light.